We joke about how we're going to run out of exterior projects to do, and it's going to force us to finally do the interior of the home. Easier to do exterior projects because they're outdoors, a little less disruptive in day-to-day life. My name's Jim Gleason. We've been in this home for about 15 years now. It was built in the early 1980s. We love the neighborhood, enjoy the property, but the house was dated. So when we made the commitment to stay here for the next chapter, we wanted to, keep the land and the property, but kind of remodel the house to make it what we wanted to be for the next 15, 20 years or so. We didn't really go through a traditional bid process. We started off with the roofing, and then following that, we did the windows next. So when it came to the siding and the painting, rather than just going to the internet and, triple A, whoever gets listed first, that approach, we went back and just talked to the contractors that we used for the roofing and the windows and see if they had any recommendations. And it turns out that they both recommended Pacific Exterior as one of the companies we should talk to. We had a great project manager, Kevin Moody, really easy to work with, very knowledgeable. And he listened to what we wanted to do, listened to or looked at examples, pictures we had taken of other homes, of kind of the vibe, the idea we wanted. But then he would raise appropriate questions of, have you considered XYZ? No, we didn't. Well, okay, here are the options. And so he kind of walked us through the more detailed level, and that worked out really well. One of the things that complicated our project, which turns out to be a good story, is I mentioned we're redoing the entire deck around the perimeter of the house. In a perfect world, we would have sequenced things, but to expedite the timeline, we made the decision to overlap the siding, painting, and the deck reconstruction. Kevin and the project manager of the decking company communicated very effectively behind the scenes in terms of, our crew's going to be on site for 2 weeks doing this, then we'll jump off site for a couple weeks while your crew goes in and does X, Y, Z. And so I was concerned at first because anytime you have two contractors on a project, that can inherently create conflict, tension. They're in our way, you're in our way. We really, to a great extent, avoided all of that. Very fortunate at just, working with good, competent contractors. Communication is 9/10 of the battle, and we were very fortunate that the two companies worked very well together. At the end of the project, I am very happy with how the project was executed. We have 3 dogs. I'm retired, so I stay at home with them, and integrating a day in the life with having people crawling around your house and the hammers, the saws, the banging, the noise, you can't avoid that, but it was kept to a minimum. The crew showed up when they said they were going to show up. They worked their butts off. Kevin communicated very clearly which people would be there for which days and how long, and by and large, everything held to a very good schedule. So for us, project management was more important than the final pricing, and we are very happy with how the project was executed. Everybody lived up to the schedule, a quality project at the end of the day, and we're very happy with the results. Thank you, Pacific Exteriors.